Irrigation practice. Uh, in this time, okay, in this time we are going to teach to students the volume of soils of canals, right? In this crucial time, we can't come to the technical. We are teaching like this. That's why you want to concentrate to this video clip. Determining the volumes of soil of canals means ඇලමාර්ගවල පස්වල පරිමාවන් සෙවීම. අපිට හුඟක් වෙලාවදී පස්වල පරිමා ඇලමාර්ග කැණීමේදී ඉරිගේෂන් එහෙම නැත්නම් වාරි මාර්ගයේදී ඇලමාර්ග කනින්න නෙවෙයි පස් වල පරිමාවන් හොයාගන්න වෙනවා. මොකද අපිට ඒවා කොන්ට්‍රැක්ට් දෙන්න හරි එහෙම නැත්නම් ඩිරෙක්ට්ලි බහරා කරන්න හරි පස්වල පරිමා අපි ඉවත් කරනු ලබන කැනල් එහෙම නැත්නම් canals වෙනුවෙන් ඉවත් කරනු ලබන පස්වල පරිමාවන් excavation වෙන පස්වල පරිමාව හොයාගන්න අවශ්‍ය වෙනවා. ඒකින්ද විශේෂයෙන් පිළිගන්නපු ක්‍රම දෙකක් තියෙනවා පස්වල පරිමාවන්. There are two methods of determining volumes of canals, volumes of soil of canals, right? Number one is trapezoidal rule, right? Trapezoidal rule. The edges to be direct lines. In this method, in trapezoidal rule, edges to be direct lines like this. I have drawn here the edges, edges, mine, seema, to be direct lines, right? In and out method is used, right? Here getting in and this getting out. However, we want to take direct lines just like this, okay? You can follow this in and out method, right? These are the natural edges of the canal. These are the natural edges, uneven. Natural edges normally uneven, right? Natural edges normally uneven like this row, canals are normally uneven, no, right? Just like this. Then we have to draw even edges like this. See, even edges under this trapezoidal rule, right? We just draw like this, right? Okay, we want to draw like this. Normal, in nature, the edges are normally uneven like this. It's okay, normally uneven. In the soil, uneven edges are taken place, but in case of trapezoidal rule, we have to draw direct lines like this. Okay, we just draw direct lines like this. Then in and out is taken place. Okay, right. Then trapezoidal rule, volume of the soil. We are going to determining the volume of soils. Volume equals d by 2. D means d by 2 into a1 plus an plus a2. A1 has gone, right? A2, a3, an minus 1. An also gone. A1, an here, except to A1 and an, A2, A3, an minus 1 is there, right? You can see A1, an is here. Then this is not A1 here, and an not here. Then you can see d by 2 into A1 plus an, okay, within brackets, plus A2, A3 dots, then an minus 1. Okay, that is the volume. This is the trapezoidal method. These lines to be direct line. That is an essential thing. That is an essential thing in a trapezoidal rule. Okay, edges. These edges to be direct lines. Okay, right. Volume equals d by 2 this much. It's okay. This one is one trapezoidal rule. Number two is this prismoidal rule. Okay, this prismoidal rule or Simpson's rule. Okay, same. Prismoidal rule or Simpson's rule. This number 1 method, this number 2. Volume equals d by 3 into a1 first ordinate, right? This is the last ordinate. A is area. D is the distance between the between two ordinates, right? This area, there are two areas, then the distance within that is two areas is D. Okay, A1 area 1, A in last area last one, right? Within brackets plus 4 times into even areas, right? Even means Iratte plus 2 into odd areas, A2, A4, A6, A8, like that. Those are even ones, right? Odds means one has gone, one is here, no? Then 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11, like that, right? Even and odds. Even means Iratte, odds means otte. 4 into 4 times into even ones plus 2 into odd ones, right? Note, there are many things have to be taken place. We have to concentrate. There are 3 essential things here. The more accurate than trapezoidal rule, determining of volumes. In determining of volumes, the Simpson or Prismoidal rule is more accurate, right? More accurate than trapezoidal rule. Then number 1. Okay. Number 2 is number 2 method. Number 2 method means Simpson rule is more accurate than trapezoidal rule, than the former one, right? This one, this 2, this one is more accurate. It's okay, right? Number 2 is natural uneven edges. Here edges are direct lines, right? Edges are direct lines, you know. Edges are direct lines. Here that is not to be. Those are uneven. Uneven edges can be taken place in the Simpson rule. Okay, uneven edges, natural edges we can take here, right? That is the difference between trapezoidal and the Simpson. Okay, more accurate than this, than number 1, natural uneven edges, not to be direct lines, right? Here it is to be direct lines. The second one, second type, it is not to be direct lines. Uneven edges, just like this, can be taken place here. N number of areas must be even. N means number of areas. There are sections now. We take normally sections, right? Areas taken within D is the distance within that areas, right? Within that areas, number of areas to be must be even. Then only we can take Prismoidal rule or Simpson rule to make out, right? N must be even. More accurate, natural uneven edges. In short, N must be even, right? Here direct edges only. Okay. There are 2 methods of determining volumes in the soils of canals or somewhere else, right? Mainly in irrigation, we are determining or we are calculating volumes of soil in canals. Okay, any problem?